Let us now express these numbers in standard form. Feel free to pause the video and try this yourself. Then you can go ahead to compare your result with the solution gotten at the end of this video. Now for A, we are to express the number 35 in standard form. Now to do this, we would write first the number 3. Now remember, A has to be a number that ranges between 1 to 10. So we cannot write 35, but we write 3 and then 0.5. Then we multiply this by a power of 10. Now to know the number that goes up here, we count the number of digits after 3. So after the digit 3, we have just 5. That is, it is 1. So this is 3.5 times 10 raised to power 1, which can also just be written as 3.5 times 10. Now for B, we have 429. And to write this in standard form, we would have 4, and then the decimal point, and then the other non-zeros that come after 4. So we have 2 and 9. Remember, if zeros come after 4, you continue to write those ones till you have written the last non-zero number. So now we have 4.29, and then we multiply this by 10. Now the number that will be at the power point here, that we put as the integer as the power of 10, would be the number of digits after the digit 4. So after digit 4 here, we have 1 and then 2 digits. So that will be 10 with the power of 2. So expressing 429 as a standard form will give us 4.29 times 10 raised to power 2. Thank you.